Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how to play F sharp minor on your guitar. Your first finger will cover the first three strings from the bottom. First, second, third strings from the bottom on the second fret. And your third finger will go on the fourth string on the fourth fret. So this is how it sounds like. So in this position, the top two strings will be mute. The sixth and the fifth string will be mute. You don't have to play those strings. Just the fourth string and on down. And another way of holding it is your first finger will cover all the strings on the second fret, like so, and then your third finger will go on the fourth fret on the fifth string, and your pinky finger will go on the fourth fret and fourth string, like so. That's F sharp minor. That's F sharp minor. And in here, in this style, you play all the strings. The first one was this one. So there's two ways of playing F sharp minor. One way, second way. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated for future lessons. Thanks for watching.